Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tanyelle Spot. Now, I have a great project for us. We're going to make candle toppers for all seasons. Alright, first you're going to need, your candle. Alright, I have a candle here, black one, this is one I want to do. I have a skeleton, I have moss, I have pumpkins, spiders, bones, skeleton heads. I may or may not use all of these, but I just put them just in case how I feel. Okay, first I want y'all to like, share, okay? I want you to comment, and I need you to be a new subby to me. I need more subbies. I'm doing all these crafts and I'm not getting any subbies. I would love for you to join my channel. Okay? Alright. Now let's begin. Alright. What you're going to do is move all of that I have. What I did is move all of that. And we are going to, again, moving all of that out the way so we can start. Yes, yes, yes. Alright. Alright. You're going to take that glue gun. You know you always have to use a glue gun for crafting. Yes, we do. And we're going to take a pumpkin. Yep. And we're going to place the glue gun, on top of the candle. But how I'm going to place it is going to be more diagonal. I'm not going to place it directly on top. I'm going to use the side of the candle, the side of the pumpkin to place it. I'm going to hold it till it dries. Alright. That's what we're going to do. Again, I need you to like this channel. I need you to share my videos. I need you to comment on the videos and tell me what you like and what you don't like. And I need you to subscribe to me. I need more subbies. So we're going to take the other pumpkin. Alright, we're going to place some glue gun on top of the first pumpkin that we laid down. And we're going to put put the pumpkin diagonal. I made a mistake. So what I did was, I didn't like how it looked. So what I did again, as you can see in a few seconds, I took my pumpkin and I moved it a little bit because I didn't like how it looked. Watch what I do. I kind of moved it. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. Not this one. The other one. This one right here. This is the one I moved. I placed the second one correct. Yes. I'm going to put some more glue gun on top. You see how that equals? I didn't want that one. So what I did was I put the candle the other direction. As it gives the effects that it gives the effect, that it is leaning. Yep. And it's going to take a minute because sometimes glue and styrofoam take a minute to dry. Okay? I have all kinds of things on my channel. You'll be seeing all kinds of things. My next project is going to be candy cane. I have 3 projects, one by one, and you'll see all different types of candy cane decor for Christmas. Okay? Now, if you'd like me to do a fall one, I can definitely do a fall one. And the first when you first see the intro of my video, you'll see the fall one that I have, and the most prettiest candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. Not the Dollar Tree, I'm lying, from the thrift store. Alright, continue on. We're going to take a black spider and we're going to place it on top of the very top pumpkin. Alright, we're going to let her dry. We're going to clean up after her. Yep, a lot of glue. Somebody tell me or teach me how to not have so many stray lines from the glue gun. It kills me. Alright. The second thing we're going to do Oh, okay. Well, I decided, I guess, to put some moss down. Yes, I did. I decided to put some moss down. All right, all the way at the bottom. Yeah, sorry, I needed the glue. I needed my glue stick changed. And you all have to work with me. All right. I'm kind of new at this. I will be true to this soon. Okay. All right. I'm gonna place it around the bottom, half, not all the way, half bottom. Okay. Okay, that's my Michiko, my cat, ready for me to let her come in the room, in her room. All right. Put the moss down and make sure all the moss is nice. Then we're going to put more moss in between the second pumpkin and the third pumpkin. That's what we do. Just a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to be a lot. When you see the outro, when you see the out pictures for the last pictures, when the outcome comes, you'll see that it's not very much. It's just a little in between. I'm just trying to hide the glue, and I'm taking my my tweezers and pushing it in, you know, to give the effect that it's like really growing under the pumpkin. All right, I'm taking my bone. Or no, not this time. I'm taking more moss. I'm such a perfectionist. I have a bad habit of that. Well, no, because I like just like you. I like my things neat, you know. And I know you will want yours neat also. So I'm putting some more moss in areas that probably has glue showing, or that's needed. All right, so I'm cleaning everything up. You know. By the way, again, like this channel. Okay, subscribe. Okay, I want you to leave a comment. You know, share my videos. You know, I would love for you to I would love to interact with you all. You know, be so nice. All right, now what I'm doing is I'm putting the bone there, any which way you like it. Well, looks like I can put more. Okay, there I go again, the perfectionist. But I've tried not to be. I just like what I like, and I like my aesthetic to be really nice and clean, just like everybody else's. You know, I want my aesthetic. I want, if I'm going to present a product or present something to you, or craft to you, I want it to be really, really, you know, to my liking. You know, I don't like to put anything out there and just call it a craft. You know, I want my subscribers, I want my viewers to see that I take pride in my work. Excuse me, sorry about that. To really take pride in my work, you know. And now I'm doing a little cutting grass. I'm cutting the grass. I'm just messing with you. I'm cutting the moss all around. You know, the ones that stuck out or sticks out. Yeah, I'm just trimming everything up. Giving it a good haircut. And judging too. Come on, Danielle. Yeah. And I'm happy that you came to my video. I'm happy that you're viewing my video. Again, my name is Tanielle. Tanielle Spot. It's Tanielle Spot. And I'll be having crafts. I'll be making, I sew a lot. I'll be making DIYs for you. I love building. I love crafting. I love sewing. I'm not too much of a baker. I cook, but I don't think I'm going to have this on. I'm not going to be cooking on this channel. I won't be making anything on this channel, meaning food form. But I love to craft. I love to DIY. I love to build. I'm a painter, meaning wall painting, you know, and furniture painting. I'm not a painter like pictures or anything. All right, finally finished with that. All right, finally. Now what we're going to do next is still trimming. All right. We're going to take the bones.
Next, what we're doing?
I think we're going to take 3 little bones. Yep. And that head is going on very, very last. So we took the bones. I'm trying to measure and see what I like about the bones. Okay. There we go. Finally, we got a bone. Alright, I'm going to take that one and glue it on. And then we're going to take another one and glue it on. Excuse me again, sorry. Allergies. Alright, we glued that second one diagonally, and we're going to have a really, really little small
I need along the way too.
that we're going to
Do it better. We're gonna place this one.
and glue on as well. I'm just trying to fight off the straggly lines. That's what I'm doing. Alright, that's a small one. The little glue sticks. What it is, the straggly little glue. Alright. Pressing out on it to hold properly. Okay. Putting another spider. I decided not to use the silver spiders. I decided to use black because I thought the black would pop more against the silver pumpkins. So that's what I did. I put black instead. Yes. And I think it came out better because I think the silver one would have just, you know, dissolved into the pumpkins. And we needed a little more of a pop. Yep. And the last thing I'm putting on is the silver skull. So what I do with my skulls, I make sure when I get the skulls from Dollar Tree, I take the skulls and I actually take a black marker and I, you know, I put the black marker in the eyes, the nose, and the mouth area. So it'll look, you know, like a real, well, you know, it's a Dollar Tree, you know, but it look more distinctive. And the color can pop out. It really blends it with the design and makes everything I don't know, look cohesive, I guess you can say. Yep, and I'm telling you, showing you that this is the end of the project. A bit more. Right here.